Kathy here, and today we're doing some tea tree inactivated charcoal soap. I am using my tall skinny mold from Brambleberry, and I have a couple of molds off to the side. I might need this little one for some extra. I'm not quite sure yet. We'll see how this turns out. It's a special order for a lady that my husband works with. They had bought my yin and yang bars before, and so I told her I could do it and she could buy a whole loaf, and it's just going to be a different design, different shape. It won't be the round yin and yang bars, but will be the exact same soap. So what I'm going to do is we'll blend this up, and then I'm going to divide off part for my black and white, and we'll hand stir in the tea tree oil at the end before I pour. Anyway, I don't want this to be like too thick here, so I keep thinking this is my old blender and I can twist off my this part. It's not gonna work. I have a button I have to push now. I have to get used to this new mixer. Okay, so I'm going to do this part white, which I have my titanium dioxide in with some soaping oils there. So I'll blend that up. This is my activated charcoal. And let's see. So we'll start with the white, just getting this. I'm just going to mix this up a tiny bit. There we go. Like I said, I don't want it to get too thick. But I do want to blend it like so. And we'll get the black here. All right, so that is that, and then we'll hand stir. I was going to use my swirly tool, the technical term for my swirler, and now, oh, there it is. Anyway, I think I will use that. So we'll get this, most of this, a little bit in here. I'm going to use my bigger spatula, I think, for this. Helps with stirring. Turn this here, and a little bit here. And then we'll stir this one, get the fragrance or the essential oil in here, the tea tree oil. And we'll pour some of that in. A little more black, and we'll just go back and forth like so. like that. And then I'm going to swirl it. And then kind of spoon some white on the top, I think. So, get that off. Just wipe this off before I set it on my table. And like I said, we'll put some of this on the top. And just a little bit of the black. Like so on either side. Give it a little swirl. Like it, I like it. And then we'll come up, down, up, down, like so, and we'll stop because I think that's good enough. If we go any more, it's going to get a little muddy. And then I'll bring my other, I think we'll do some shorter bars in this. Like so. Again, back and forth. Like so. Let me scrape this out. I know I'm in your way. Okay, so there's the black, and again the white, coming down low on the top so I can have some white on the very top. It smells really good, this tea tree oil. All right, so there's that. My little swirler. Like so. Like I said, these will be some shorter bars, which I will put into probably my grab bags and subscription boxes. I love the black and white. So we'll give them a little spritz. This one I will put my lid on. I don't have a lid for my other one, but hopefully it'll be okay. So anyway, we'll come up to you. Here is our first one. Oop. And there's our second. Hopefully you can see that. I'm kind of back here ways. So anyway, I'm going to get my lid here on that, and we'll come back and we'll do the cutting in just a second. Okay, we're back and ready to cut into my tea tree oil and charcoal bars. These turned out beautiful, I think. I've taken them out of the molds and kind of trimmed up the edges and the sides, and I'm going to cut them into bars and then I'll trim the bottoms up. I just use a peeler for that, a little hand peeler like this. So we'll get started and get these little ones made up. Now these are going to be to put into my grab bags and such. Let me just trim this end off and straighten it up. that there. Ooh, I'm gonna like that. I am gonna like this. I can tell already. Something great about a black and white bar of soap. So here's my little guys. Don't you just love the swirls? Just beautiful. And then what I'll do is take this peeler and just run it along the edge just to clean it up. Oops. Like so. And we'll do that on every bar. But I'll get these cut first. Really nice. I'm gonna love throwing these into those subscription boxes. I think they're a good little bar. So set those there, trim those up when we're done. Or when I'm done. I won't show you every bar that I'm going to trim, but I just want to get this one cut, and then we'll move on to the big loaf that was my custom order. Last one here. So pretty though, isn't that just, it's marbled, so pretty. Just love it. And I think, yep, trim that last end. Pretty. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, so there's the little loaf. And then we'll move on to the bigger loaf, which I have not cleaned the sides on yet. I will do that when I'm done because it's of course easier. But we'll trim the ends. We'll trim the end slices here and get to the pretty stuff underneath. Take that away. There's the end slice. Very nice. Actually, I was supposed to actually make this a little bit thinner. Like that. Should have done that first. Oops. Very nice. Like I said, I have to clean up the sides on these. Nice, cool. Very cool bars. Like so. Just so gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. So I am recording these videos for a later release. Trying to get ahead of the game. I'm going to release one a week to help make up for the fact that we're not going to be around for a couple weeks. So if I don't join you on the chat, or if there is a chat, I'm not really sure. If I don't join you, though, please understand that we are not around. But enjoy and enjoy talking with each other while we're gone. Okay, so perfect. Perfect. This worked out well, regardless of the fact that I forgot to move my plate over. I did get still 10 slices. So, okay, now that I've got these into manageable shapes, I'll move that up a little, and we'll set Chopper off because I'm done with Chopper. But I am going to trim these now that I can do the sides. So we just run it along the edges just to clean them up, like so, and then along the bottom. Just making them a prettier bar. So that it's nice and black and white everywhere. And on occasion, you know, you'll have to wipe off your peeler. Like that. Isn't that pretty? Which is beautiful when you're done. Isn't that gorgeous? So I will keep cleaning these off, and I'll do those little ones, and we'll get some pictures taken, and I'll get this video on for you guys for later. But I hope you enjoyed watching me make my little tea tree and activated charcoal bars. This one I still have to clean up. Spring is coming, supposedly. So we all will look for lovely warmer weather soon. I can't wait. It's been a long winter. But anyway, thanks for watching again. And I will catch you on the next video. Make sure you follow us over on Facebook and Instagram at Dirty Booty Soaps. And if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see like a bunch of pictures pretty quickly here of our vacation and where we're going. So anyway, that's it for now. Thanks again. Everybody have a lovely day, and we'll catch you on the next video. Bye for now.